children, welcome to Think Maths. As you all know, we are dealing with Insert Class 10 Maths, Chapter 1, Real Numbers. In this session, we are going to discuss about Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic, Exercise 1.2, questions 5, 6 and 7. If you are able to follow my classes, just like, share and subscribe and press the bell button so that you will get the notification whenever I upload my videos. Thank you for your support. Let us get into the video. So question 5. Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Okay. So we have to check this number 6 power n ends with 0. So here 6 power n. So we can write this number as, so 6 power n is equal to, 6 is nothing but 2 into 3 to the power n. So we can write as 2 power n into 3 power n. Okay. So if it has to end with 0, there should be a prime factor 5. So if 6 power n has to end with 0, so it should be divisible by 5. So if it has to be divisible by 5, it should either end with 0 or 5. Here there is no prime factor 5. Okay. So we cannot say that 6 power n can end with the digit 0. Okay. So if it has to end with the digit 0, it should be divisible by 10. So 10 can be factorized as 2 into 5. Already 2 appears here, but there is no prime factor 5. For 5, 6 power n should end with the digit 5 or 0. Okay. So, but there is no prime factor 5. So, we cannot say that 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. So, let us write the notes and explain to you. So, if 6 power n has to end with 0, then it would be divisible by 5. Okay. So, as we know, any number with unit place, 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. So, but prime factorization contains the numbers 2 and 3. So, no other prime factors are there, because by Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic, we know that prime factorization is unique. So, we can say that there is no natural number n for which 6 power n ends with the digit 0. Okay, children, can you understand? So, next problem. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. So, first, what are composite numbers? So, composite numbers are numbers that are divisible by 1 itself and other numbers. Okay. Suppose if I take 9, so 9 is divisible by 1, 9, 3. Okay. So, we can say that 9 is a composite number because it is divisible by 1 itself and some other number 3. So, we can say that 9 is a composite number. So, in the same way, we have to prove the given numbers as a composite number. Okay. So, let us take this number, first number. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 30. So, I am taking 13 outside. Okay. So, if I take 13 outside, so we will get 7 into 11 into, so this 13 is taken outside. So, I write it as into 1 plus 1. Okay. So, 7 into 11 is 77. 77 into 1, 77 plus 1. Okay. So, we can write as 13 into 77 plus 1. So, 77 plus 1 is 78. So, 13 into 78. So, we should factorize 78. Just already we know that 13 into 78 is a composite number. Okay, let us just check. So, if I factorize this, so this is an even number. So, I take 2. So, 2 3s are 6, balance 1. 9 twos are 18. So this is not even. So I take 3. 1 threes are 3. 3 threes are 9. So 13 is a prime number. So I stop here. So 13 into 2 into 3 into 30. So this is a composite number because it should have a number 1 and another number. Okay, itself. But it has more than 2 numbers. So this is a composite number. So the given number is composite. Okay. So next case, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. So I take 5 outside. So 7 into 6 into, instead of this 5, I write 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. So I should calculate this value. Okay. So 7 into 6 is 42. 42 into 1 into 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 2, 24. So I take 24. So let me do by XYZ method. That is, this answer is X, Y, Z. So first I have to find the unit place. So Z. So Z is nothing but product of the ones place. For any number, so this is the tens place and this is ones place. So 2 is the tens place, 4 is the ones place or units place. For Z, you have to multiply the units place or ones place. 2 into 4. So 2 into 4 is 8. Next for Y, you have to add with the product of inner value and with the product of outer value. Okay. So 2 into 2 plus 4 into 4. So 2 into 2 is 4 plus 4 into 4 is 16. So 16 plus 4 is 20. Okay. Next, X value. So X is nothing but product of the tens place. So tens place is 4 into 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. So what is the answer? Instead of Z, I can write 8. Instead of Y, this is 20. So I should write only the units place or ones place, that is 0. The balance will be 2. So X is 8. So 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, can you understand? So the product of this value is 1008. Okay. So 5 into 1008 plus 1, which is 1009. So 5 into 1009. So 1009 is a prime number. So we got one prime number 1009. So another prime number is 5. So we got two numbers here, including 1. So we can say that this given number is a composite number because we got 1 into 2 prime numbers, that is more than 1 numbers. So this given number is a composite number. Okay, children. So let us go to the next problem. So there is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Okay, so there is a sports field. So here Sonia takes 18 minutes and Ravi takes 12 minutes. Suppose they start at the same point. So this is the starting point and at the same time and go in the same direction. Both Sonia and Ravi are in the same direction. We have to find after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point. So now the question is whether we have to find LCM or HCF. Okay. Here the trick is, so for LCM, so LCM is nothing but we have to look for a number that is divisible. Okay. So we have to look for a number that is divisible. So we have to get a number, it should be divisible by 18 and 12. HCF. So HCF is nothing but you have to look for a number that divides. Okay, that divides 18 and 12. Okay. Otherwise, if we need some answer, the answer should be greater than this number. If it is greater than this number, it should be LCM. Okay. If the answer is lesser than this number, it should be HCF. So this is the trick whether you should find LCM or HCF. Suppose I take a smaller number. Suppose Sonia takes 5 minutes and Ravi takes 4 minutes to make a circular part. So since Ravi takes 4 minutes to make a circular part, he will reach this starting point before Sonia. So by thinking, we can say that Ravi will make more rounds than Sonia before reaching the starting point. Okay. So when they meet again, so Ravi will make more rounds. So we should get a value, whether that is, suppose I can say, for one round, Sonia takes 5 minutes. For second round, another 5 minutes. For third round, another 5 minutes. For fourth round, another 5 minutes. Okay, in the same way, Ravi will take 4 minutes for the first round, another 4 minutes for the second round, another 4 minutes for third, for fourth and fifth. So if I total this value, it is 20. So if I total this value also 20. So I can say that Ravi will make 5 rounds and Sonia will make 4 rounds to meet at the starting point. That is, after 20 minutes, they will meet at the starting point. Okay. So this number is greater than 5. That is, this number is greater. That is, this number is divisible by 5 and 4. So what we have to find? We have to find LCM. Okay. So we have to find LCM of 18 and 12. I think you got the point. Okay, let us do the calculation. So since both Sonia and Ravi move in the same direction and at the same time, we have to find LCM of 18 and 12. So 18, how will you factorize 18? So 18 can be factorized as, I take 2, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So 18 equal to 2 into 3 square. So what is the LCM for 12? 2 into 6. 2 into 3 is 6. So 12 is equal to 2 square into 3. So what is LCM? So LCM is nothing but product of the greatest power of each prime factor. So prime factors are 2 and 3. Okay. So 2 and 3 are the prime factors. What are their greatest power? So greatest power of 2 is 2 and greatest power of 3 is 2. So 4 into 9. So which is equal to 36. So after 36 minutes, Sonia and Ravi will meet at the starting point. So even after another 36 minutes, that is after 72 minutes, they will again meet. So we need only LCM, that is the first 36 minutes. Okay. So can you understand whether to find LCM and HCF? Okay, children. So this is for the session. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video session. Thank you.